Hey guys, welcome back for another brew day. So as you can probably tell from the video description or video title, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. Now it's been about 5, maybe 6 years since I did my last Cooper's brew or pimped up Cooper's kit. So yeah, curiosity has got the better of me and I thought I would revisit my early brewing days and see if anything's changed, see if my processes have changed or whether I can improve on what I did in the early days. So what I've done is I've gone out and bought a Cooper's lager. So that's going to be the base. So the reason I chose the Cooper's lager is A, I want a very light sort of XPA sort of style of beer. B, I'm going to be doing a half batch. I'll probably end up brewing it to 12 litres, and this is the least bittered in the Cooper's range. And because I'm doing a half batch, it's going to effectively nearly double the bitterness in the tin. So it's going to take from about 20 IBUs to 40, but that's still going to be fine. 40 is fine for a pale ale, although I'd like it to be more of an XPA. So yeah, that's going to be my base, and doing a half batch is going to give it more body without having to add in the brew enhancer. And then to that I'm going to be dry hopping, so I've got 60 grams here, so 60 grams for a half batch should be a decent amount for a dry hop. And this is a combination of it's all New Zealand hops, Riwaka, Motueka and Nelson Sauvin. So yep, that's going to be the hops. And then the yeast, I'm going to swap out the kit yeast, and I had a packet of US-05 sitting in the fridge. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be brewing up. So it's going to be quick and easy. So what we might do is we'll cut here and I will do some short sort of clips of the different stages. Hopefully I can remember what to do. I think the main thing is trying to get this sticky runny extract out of here using some boiled water. So we'll flick over to that and then yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so what I've done, see, open up the can and I've poured it into a saucepan, and then I've added a couple of litres of boiled water just so I can dissolve the extract. So what we'll do is we'll tip this into the fermenter here. So that's what mixed in really well, that boiled water. No malt extract left behind, so that's cool. And then what we'll do is we will top this up to 12 litres. So I've actually got my fermenter sitting on some scales, so I weighted the empty fermenter at 4 kilos. So with 12 litres or 12 kilograms of liquid, I'll top it up to 16 litres. It's just that with the foam in there, it's hard to see exactly what the level is, so we will carry on and do that. Okay, so we've finished topping up to 16 litres, and I've given the wort a really good mix. Make sure all the malt extract's all nice and mixed in with the cold water. Check the temperature, so we're sitting around 25 degrees. So what I'll do is I'll pitch the yeast, but before we do that, taking a hydro sample, so that's come out at 1.042. Nice looking colour there, and quite light, so hopefully end up with a nice looking beer at the other end. I won't taste it because I know it's just going to taste like sugar laden wort, but at least I know the original gravity. So we will sprinkle in the US-05. So I'm using a full packet, even though it's a half batch. That's just how I like to do things. Make sure there's plenty of live yeast cells there to do the work. Chew through all those sugars. So there we go there. So that's pretty much it. So what I'll do is I'll seal it up. Now the other important thing obviously is fermentation. So to make sure this beer turns out as well as possible, I will be fermenting it at 18 degrees in my fermentation fridge, and then I'll do a 3-day dry hop with the Motueka, Nelson Sauvin and the Riwaka that I mentioned earlier. So I'll put that in, and then fingers crossed, we'll see how it turns out, and I will do a taste test hopefully in a couple of weeks' time. And in between now and that taste test, hopefully I'll get a taste test done of the Weasel Fog, the hazy IPA. As you know, I sent a couple of bottles away for, if you watched my previous videos, I sent a couple of bottles away for a competition. So I just want to wait for the results of that before I do a tasting video on that. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and yeah, I'm really excited and looking forward to seeing how this turns out with those hops added in. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy your weekend coming up, and we'll catch you in the next video. Over and out. Cheers.